Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sync your ClickUp tasks with Google Calendar using two-way updates in the updated 2026 setup. This keeps everything in sync automatically, so yeah, no more double entering stuff. You'll be able to manage your tasks seamlessly across both platforms, saving you time and keeping everything organized. Let's dive right in. So first thing, click your profile avatar in the bottom left and open Settings. Inside Settings, look for Calendar or Calendar Sync. It's usually under the Integration section, but it might vary slightly depending on your version. Click that, then hit Connect Google Calendar. A prompt will appear asking you to choose your Google account. Select your account, approve the permissions, and let ClickUp link everything. Don't worry, your information is safe. This just allows ClickUp to access your calendar data to sync tasks. Once you're connected, you'll see two sets of toggles, one for sending ClickUp tasks to Google Calendar and one for pulling Google Events into ClickUp. These toggles are your control panel for syncing tasks both ways. Turn both of those on for full two-way syncing. With both on, any change you make in either ClickUp or Google Calendar will reflect in the other instantly. Below that, you'll see the option to choose which ClickUp lists or spaces you want synced. Just check the ones you need, whether it's specific project lists or your entire personal to-do list. This customization allows you to keep everything streamlined and only sync the most relevant tasks. Now, open Google Calendar. You'll see a new calendar labeled ClickUp, and your tasks will appear as all-day or timed events, depending on the dates you set in ClickUp. This is especially useful for managing both personal and work-related tasks in one view. You can easily spot what's on your agenda for the day without toggling between apps. So let's test it. Change a task date inside ClickUp and then flip back to Google Calendar. You'll see it update instantly. And if you drag the event around in Google Calendar, ClickUp updates too. It's honestly kind of magic. This two-way sync makes it super easy to adjust your schedule in one place and have those changes reflected everywhere. Whether you're rescheduling tasks or adjusting priorities, everything stays in sync. If you want tasks to display differently, such as with specific colors or filters to highlight priority tasks or upcoming deadlines, you can adjust the calendar view settings inside ClickUp. You can choose different views like daily, weekly, or monthly, and even apply custom filters to focus on high-priority tasks or tasks for a specific project. This level of customization helps ensure you see exactly what you need, how you need it. And that's it. That's how to sync ClickUp tasks to Google Calendar with two-way updates for 2026. It's super handy for keeping everything in one place and avoiding confusion. By syncing ClickUp with Google Calendar, you can manage your tasks and events from a single view, which is a game changer for staying organized and productive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more tutorials and tips on making the most out of ClickUp and other productivity tools.